a four-wheeler though, because it's
right.
like freeing.
I hear you. I was just messing with you.
Still got one more feature. Coming down the whole thing.
Heck yeah.
Straddles the fucking thing.
That's what I said. One wheel will go in there and that's it. Not down here where you sunk though.
No, it gets wide right here.
He'd have to run through it 3 or 4 times to get it nice and mucky. Or doo-doo's ditch. Pushing a river. It's funny, all the water was running this way, now it's going that way. Has no choice but to go that way. Man, look at it all freaking flexing. Woo! You see that flex?